Ever wonder how some people seem to radiate health and vitality? It's not magic, it's a lifestyle. Stay tuned to discover simple, effective ways to boost your health and feel your best every day. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about how to be healthy. Whether you're starting your health journey or looking to refine your routine, we've got you covered with tips that are easy to implement and fun to follow. Let's dive right in with the basics of a healthy lifestyle. We'll cover 5 key areas: nutrition, exercise, sleep, hydration, and mental well-being. Stick around because tip number 5 is a game changer. First up, nutrition. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Well, it's true. Here are 3 easy tips to eat healthier. Tip number 1, eat a rainbow. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet. Each color provides different nutrients and antioxidants that your body needs. Tip number 2, balance your plate. Aim to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. This ensures you get a mix of essential nutrients. And tip number 3, don't skip breakfast. A nutritious breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism and provides energy for the day. Think smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt with fruit. Next, let's talk about exercise. Moving your body is crucial for overall health, but it doesn't have to be a chore. Tip number 1, find an activity you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, yoga, or playing a sport, choose something that makes you happy and you'll be more likely to stick with it. Tip number 2, mix it up. Incorporate a variety of workouts: cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. This keeps things interesting and works different muscle groups. And tip number 3, make it a habit. Schedule your workouts like any other appointment. Consistency is key. Now on to sleep. Good sleep is just as important as diet and exercise. Tip number 1, stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your body's clock. Tip number 2, create a bedtime routine. Wind down with calming activities like reading or taking a bath. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. And tip number 3, make your bedroom a sleep haven. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a good mattress and pillows. Hydration is next. Water is essential for every cell in your body. Tip number 1, drink water first thing in the morning. This kickstarts your metabolism and hydrates you after a night's sleep. Tip number 2, carry a water bottle. Having water on hand makes it easier to stay hydrated throughout the day. And tip number 3, jazz it up. If plain water is boring, add a splash of flavor with lemon, cucumber, or berries. Last but not least, mental well-being. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Tip number 1, practice mindfulness. Water helps balance your body's natural chemicals, including those that control your mood. So, how much water should you be drinking? A good rule of thumb is the 8x8 rule. 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, which is about 2 liters. But your needs might vary based on your activity level, climate, and overall health. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your health. So, grab that glass of water and drink up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Comment below with your own hydration tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.